Okay, this is a video of a Hunter fan. It's black and it's a 3-speed. It's completely original except for the felt and the base on it was crumbling. It's like part of it was like breaking off, so I made a new base and then like with aluminum, like make it shape like the base and then put blue felt. Then that's it, and then put the base back on, and then that's all I had to do with it, and then oil and stuff. The 3-speed actually oscillates, and I'll turn it on so you can see it. That's when somebody in my face is out. Gosh, so powerful. Medium speed. Low speed. And then I'll put on non-oscillating. Now, let me turn it on. There's my base again. Now I'll show you the view at the back. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video.